The fun thing about this apartment is bunk beds, which we just got out of. Good morning. It looks like it's gonna be a really nice day. This is the perfect day of the week for us to have a nice sunny day. Are you gonna go swimming?
Eventually.
Are you sure?
Yeah.
Oh my god. We're gonna go get some bread for breakfast. It's kind of our tradition over here. Get the croissants and that kind of thing. Sleepy! We're gonna take a shortcut through the sand dunes to get there. You gotta watch out for little dog surprises. That's kind of what I associate this spot with. Haha, success and no surprises. We're actually not 100% sure that the bakery we're going to is still in business, so I'm hoping that's the case. Otherwise, we've got backups. It appears to be open. Bread. Our order. Oh, I'm so excited. Now, this is a fine breakfast if I've ever seen one.
Have you ever seen one?
Hey, this is a fine breakfast. It is time for Quistax. Quistax. So it's like a bike where you pedal, but it's a little car thing. Okay. Are you ready for an adventure?
I guess. Where do I...
We're good. Oh, be careful.
Wait, if I pedal this... Oh no, they're in the... Oh, this is awful.
Okay.
Oh my god. So...
He's freaking me out. He's trying to go so fast.
We stop for life.
There we go. I can't even pedal. Like, I can't keep up. He's going too fast. Ross, stop. I can't keep up with this guy. I also can't turn this thing, so I feel very much not in control. Kind of terrifying. But this is fun. Why do you like it?
I'm stuck.
Not just us. Oh yeah. More quick stacks. I am the most nervous backseat driver. Side seat driver. What? Oh, it's like a trampoline thing, I think.
Oh, that's cool.
And there's the end of the line with the dunes. Yeah, there's something really scary here.
I'm about scary driver.
It's definitely creepy. Yup. That's kind of horrifying. I just gotta say.
You good?
Yep, I'm good. I am good. Let's get out of here. Let's go. We did it. Oh, geez. All right, you feel it when you stop. All right, something a little more quiet now. That's where we were up on the street, and tide is very low. The ocean's all the way over there. And we're just kind of making our way. Oh, it's cold. This guy wants to swim. I don't think I will join him. Even just like stepping in the water here is really cold.
Are these like little worms, or are these just string of some sort?
I think they're some kind of poop.
Huh.
Like worms eat it and then it passes through type of thing.
Okay.
I don't know. I could be wrong, but it is sand. Like it's fine. We have made it to the sea.
Nemo swimming out to sea.
I like it.
I don't know if it's still going down or if it's...
The tide?
Yeah.
Yeah, I can't tell, but we are like really
maybe
far.
at the limit where it just hesitates, if it keeps going down.
Yeah, I think this is as far as it goes.
Find
Oh,
some
I'm looking for
parties
hermit
of
crabs.
glass that
Here's
are
one
going-
here. Never mind, it just buried itself. There are a lot running around though. They're cute. Ah, it's nice. It's bright. This one's running around, kind of. Yeah, look at him go. He's like orange. Where? Oh, I don't think I can. Oh, yeah, there he goes. There he goes. Oh, so cute. Don't. This thing will start burying itself. I kind of want to capture it on tape. Alright, we've been waiting for a while. Doesn't look like it's gonna happen. I swear, as soon as we walk away, it's gonna do it. But I want to go film seagulls instead. Party! Oh, oh, oh. Apparently they're eating all the crabs and stuff that the fishermen throw away. Oh, there's the shell and it's burying itself. Oh, this one's doing it. Oh, nice, nice, nice. Yay! That's a nice orange one. That's cool. It's just freaking, you don't even realize they're alive. Yay. Hello, birds. Say hello. Goodbye. You looking at the
Ah ouais, la pêche était bonne là.
Ça va.
Gotta go back and fish some more. That's intense. You do that every day.
When we were little, we had those little nets like this, but much smaller.
Yeah.
And there were plenty of shrimp in the.
Like in the water, yeah.
Yeah.
They're asking for it. Hello. I just want to say hi. I just want to say hello. I just want to say hi. Don't worry about it. Everything's fine. Everything's fine. Hi. Okay, heading back to the apartment to rest and change shoes for a little bit. And then we're going to be walking to lunch, which is another decent hike up that way. Or actually, no, we're going to the other one, so it's not too far. That'll be for tonight.
Yep.
I'm so out of shape. For real. But yeah, that was a nice walk and the weather's so good. Always Pokemon.
Mm-hmm.
Never stop Pokemon. I'm actually on a big Pokemon kick, I think. It'll last through Sun Moon, hopefully.
Up until Sun and Moon.
No, no, no. No, don't say that. Don't jinx me. That was a nice little break. We're ready for food. I might have mussels. I've already had some the other day, but I might do it again. And he hasn't had it. He had a bite of mine, so he gets to have his own thing of mussels.
I've had mussels for years.
Now we're in the like city park, and there's a little tram, and this is the restaurant, I believe.
Trying.
It's pretty good. I'm excited.
I'm sure they have it.
No, you're right. It's
All right.
Yes, for the French fries.
Everyone's getting mussels but me.
Here you can use your hand and clean your hands after.
Oh yeah. That's like one of the few things you can eat with your hands at a restaurant. Mayonnaise for the fries, of course.
I like it.
You like it?
So if I had to pick one, probably be that. They could hit the ceiling, the walls, anywhere on the thing.
I'm excited.
Excited.
It smells amazing.
Tomates.
I like.
I like.
Oh, it smells so good.
Ça c'est d'un blanc. Merci.
Yay! What do you think? Do you smell the ocean?
It smells like celery.
Celery.
They put a lot of celery.
Yeah.
What's the best way to eat it? With the
Oh,
hands?
you have to use your hands, yeah. You have to use your hands and use your, like with one hand, and then use your fork to pick it out. Does that make sense? See, just like that.
Bon
This is for
appetit.
your
Bon appetit.
sauce. And the mayonnaise for the French fries.
Oh, is it hot? Okay. But is it good though? Okay. This was amazing. It was so delicious. Everyone managed. I remember it always seems like such a huge, crazy amount.
It is a huge, crazy amount.
Good job. I'm proud of you.
All that quiz stacking.
All that quiz taxing. Oh, baby push up? Okay. Truck doors. The wind has started picking up, as you can see, so we're thinking of maybe flying a kite if we can find something we want.
Not a toy store.
Oh, it's not a toy
There's
store.
one down there.
Okay, we'll keep going. I don't really know what we're doing, but I think maybe this one. And there's like a fish on
You
it.
can see the other store too if you want and compare what they have on both sides.
Maybe. I want that kind. But I don't really know which kind that is.
I think this is it.
Do you think this is it? We did a lot of walking back and forth. We came back to this one. At least it's cheap, so if we don't like it, it's less of a big deal than spending a lot of money. Let's go. All right, let's go fly a kite. Okay. I first gotta take shoes off. Oh, this is very cheap.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, okay, it's already flying. I did it.
Yeah, alright, we can go home now.
Okay. The thing that sucks about this, like, maybe you can't tell, is when we're putting it up there like that, we're looking straight into the sun. Like, there's kind of no avoiding it. Sorry if it's windy. Fun than I thought it would be. Now it's waffle time, waffle, waffle. Always go to here, the ship. Oh, it's here, it's here. The moment you've been waiting for.
Of course, there were Liège one here too. They didn't take them. Okay, that takes this one.
How'd you like it?
Good.
Last bite. It's amazing. Okay, it was another walk back, and we're back at the apartment. I think we're gonna rest for a little bit and just hang out on the balcony. Ah, that's right. But there's some shade here. This was delicious. I am tired. My legs aren't really having it, but I'm gonna take a break. Then later, I think we're gonna try and see the sunset and have dinner. We're in a bit of a hurry because the sun's going down faster than we thought it would. We're gonna make it, I hope. Well, it's a pretty color. Let's see if the sun's still there.
We got plenty of time.
We made it. Oh, that's so pretty. Oh, yeah. Oh, that's so beautiful. And just a sliver left.
Just a petite crump.
There's an excited dog, don't mind them. All gone. Alright, today on way too much food in one day, more food. Alright, we got our shrimp croquettes and our cheese croquettes. Probably just two.
But we could supplement with pain.
I've got some free. Oh, he does it. Hey, you ready to try cherry beer?
Alright.
Alright. Kriek. This is also kind of a Belgian thing.
Santé?
Santé. Oh, okay, with my empty glass. Is that weird?
No, it's not bad.
It's not bad. Oh, that's pretty. Merci.
Warm.
Yeah, a little bit of veggies.
Tu peux manger un peu
And
ici.
then,
Je vais commander, mais tu peux en avoir.
oh yeah. This is indulgence incarnate. Croquette de fromage. All gone. We even ate the plates. It was just too good. Oh, I'm so happy. And now for a leisurely walk home. Kind of help digest. Can't really see much on camera. Pretty dark. But yeah, in terms of like fun things to do and to eat and all of that, I think today's been the best day yet. So, cheers! Tomorrow we head back. Oh, sorry, it's dark. Head back to my grandparents. And it's gonna be spaghetti, so that's gonna be good, even though I don't want to think about food right now. All right, good night.